Ever wondered how our world would look if our governments were powered by artificial intelligence and blockchain? Ponder on that. Currently, governments worldwide are plagued with a myriad of challenges. Inefficiencies in the public sector are rampant, leading to unnecessary delays and frustrations. Paperwork piles up, reforms are slow to materialize, and the wheels of bureaucracy turn at a sluggish pace. Additionally, corruption continues to rear its ugly head, casting a shadow over the integrity of public institutions. We've seen countless headlines reporting embezzlement, bribery, and under-the-table deals that undermine public trust. Another major issue is the slow processes. In this digital age, it's astonishing to see how many government procedures are still stuck in the analog era. From applying for permits to filing taxes, the lack of speed and efficiency is painfully evident. Now imagine a world where these issues are things of the past, thanks to AI and blockchain. To appreciate the future, we must first understand the past. Let's delve into traditional government systems. The traditional government system is a complex structure that has evolved over centuries. It's a system designed to provide order, to legislate, and to implement and enforce laws. At its core, it's about maintaining stability and creating a framework for society to function. However, these systems are often characterized by bureaucracy, a feature that has both its pros and cons. On one hand, bureaucracy is necessary to manage the vast array of tasks that governments undertake. It's the bureaucracy that ensures the smooth running of public services from healthcare to education. On the other hand, this complexity can lead to inefficiency. Layers of hierarchy can slow decision-making, and the volume of paperwork can be overwhelming. This labyrinth of processes and procedures can also be a breeding ground for corruption. The more convoluted the system, the more opportunities there are for unethical practices to go unnoticed or unchecked. This corruption not only undermines the integrity of the government, but also erodes public trust. Moreover, traditional government systems often operate on a top-down model. This hierarchy places a small group of people at the top with decision-making power, while the majority at the bottom has limited influence. This structure can create a disconnect between the government and the people it serves, leading to policies that may not fully address the needs of the population. This is not to say that all traditional government systems are flawed. Many have evolved and adapted over time to better serve their citizens. But the inherent challenges of bureaucracy, hierarchy, and potential for corruption and inefficiency remain. In an increasingly interconnected and digital world, there's a need for a system that can keep up with the pace of change, while maintaining transparency, efficiency, and the public's trust. A system that can leverage the power of technology to better serve its citizens. This is the system we've known for centuries, but change is on the horizon. Enter artificial intelligence and blockchain, two revolutionary technologies poised to transform governance. But before we delve into their potential applications, let's quickly define what these terms mean. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems capable of performing tasks that would usually require human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. On the other hand, blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. This makes blockchain inherently secure and transparent. Now, how can these technologies revolutionize governance? Let's start with transparency. Blockchain's immutable nature means that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered without leaving a trace. This can be used to maintain public records, manage votes in elections, or track public funds, making government processes more transparent than ever before. Next, let's talk about efficiency. AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. For example, AI can be used to automate tax collection, process applications for public services, and even predict and manage traffic patterns in cities. This can significantly reduce operational costs and improve service delivery. Finally, data security. Both AI and blockchain are robust when it comes to data security. AI can be used to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, while the decentralized nature of blockchain makes it resistant to hacks. This can protect sensitive public information and maintain trust in government systems. So, what does all this mean for us? Imagine a government that is transparent, efficient and secure, all thanks to these technologies. A government where every transaction, decision and policy is accountable, where services are delivered promptly and accurately, and where our data is secure. That's the promise of AI and blockchain in government. It's time to put these systems side by side. Traditional versus AI and blockchain in government. In one corner, we have the traditional government system, a time-tested, centuries-old mechanism that has evolved and adapted to the needs of society. It's a system where decisions are made by human representatives, who are elected by the people and for the people. It's a system that, despite its flaws, has proven to be resilient and adaptable. Now, let's turn our attention to the other corner, where we have the new kids on the block, AI and blockchain. This is a system that promises a future of government without human error or bias, where decisions are made based on data and algorithms, and where transparency is not just a promise but a built-in feature. So how do these two systems stack up against each other? Let's start with transparency. Traditional governments, despite their best efforts, often struggle with maintaining transparency. There are layers of bureaucracy, a myriad of processes, and countless individuals involved in decision-making, all of which can lead to information being lost, distorted, or concealed. On the other hand, with blockchain, every transaction, every decision, every bit of data is recorded and made available for public scrutiny. It's a system that is inherently transparent. Next, let's consider efficiency. Traditional government systems, with their red tape and bureaucracy, can be slow and inefficient. Decisions can take months, sometimes years, to be made, and even then the implementation can be fraught with delays and missteps. AI and blockchain, however, offer a different picture. With AI, decisions can be made quickly based on real-time data analysis. With blockchain, processes can be streamlined and automated, reducing the time and resources required. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with AI and blockchain. These technologies come with their own set of challenges. The implementation of these technologies requires significant resources, both in terms of finances and expertise. There's also the issue of privacy and security. While blockchain promises transparency, it also exposes data to potential breaches and misuse. And with AI, there's the risk of algorithms making decisions that may not align with societal values or ethics. So where does that leave us? Well, it's not a matter of choosing one over the other. It's about finding a balance, a hybrid system that combines the strengths of both. It's about using AI and blockchain to augment our traditional systems to make them more transparent, more efficient, and more responsive to the needs of the people. The potential of AI and blockchain in governance is immense, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. Yes, there are challenges to overcome, but the promise of a more efficient, transparent, and accountable government makes it a pursuit worth exploring. And who knows, in the not-so-distant future, we might just see the dawn of a new era in governance, an era driven by technology, data, and the relentless pursuit of a better society. So what does this all mean for us and the future of our governments? Let's take a moment to wrap up everything we've discussed and highlight the key takeaways. We started off by examining the current state of our government systems. These systems, while functional, are often plagued by inefficiencies, corruption, and a lack of transparency. Traditional government systems, we learned, are also typically slow to adapt to changes in technology and societal needs. Then we explored the revolutionary potential of artificial intelligence and blockchain in the realm of governance. AI, with its ability to make data-driven decisions, can streamline bureaucratic processes, cut down on waste, and dramatically increase efficiency. It's not swayed by emotions, personal bias, or political pressure, which can lead to fairer, more objective decision-making. Blockchain, on the other hand, brings unparalleled transparency and security to the table. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for a central authority, which can reduce corruption. It also allows for secure, traceable transactions, which can increase trust in government operations. When we put AI and blockchain together, we get a system that's efficient, transparent, secure, and adaptable. This fusion has the potential to transform our government systems, making them more responsive to the needs of citizens. We compared this AI and blockchain-powered government to traditional systems, and the benefits were clear. It's not about replacing humans in government, but rather about augmenting our capabilities and creating a system that works better for everyone. So what's the bottom line? AI and blockchain hold immense potential to revolutionize governance. They can address many of the issues plaguing our current systems, making them more efficient, transparent, and responsive. It's a future that embraces the best of technology and humanity alike. The future of government may be closer than we think, and it's one powered by AI and blockchain. It's an exciting prospect, and one that could fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with our governments.